Hello my friends, here again with a new vlog about avocados this time. So we uproot our plant, cut the roots just as much as you want, maintain more or less the third of the roots, eliminate all the long roots, don't touch principal root, that's the thing that you don't need to do. The rest just eliminate all the little roots that will promote the production of new roots and will make your plant healthy. Look at this, a lot of roots. Now we just place a little bit of soil on the bottom soil. We place our plant in the right position and then we finish the procedure. That's it. You press around, then you put it in a new pot. I found this nice one. It's another plant, so we take the pot, we trim, we cut all the roots around. Again, make sure that don't touch the main big root, that's important. And look at this, this is actually part of the initial seed. The plant at this stage doesn't need it anymore, but when the plants are little, they take the, let's say, the nutrition from that part, but now they have a lot of roots, as you can see. These very long roots, you can just cut them by using scissors. Don't worry, looks like I'm cutting a lot, but the plants will be very happy after this, I promise. Ta-da! Again, we place some soil, place the plant, complete with more soil. If you can use new soil, it's better, and new pot. That's it. Healthy plants. Bye bye.